Hello guys, I just want to show how do I cook in my car. I'm always eating something so modest. I try to escape restaurant and everything. I try to lose my weight. This is potato. Every day I'm having just breakfast, like a big breakfast. For me, big breakfast. And half of breakfast size my lunch, and that's it. No dinner, no nothing. Maybe some fruits, maybe something like orange or just water or maybe some berries.
Остается ли тут запах, что-то? У меня тут очень мощно.
I love my car. This is Toyota Sienna. I see working is so good, and after I cook, maybe in 10-15 minutes, no smell, no food smell, nothing. This is my breakfast: 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bread. I made the omelet, but I could not eat one piece of bread. I have to throw it to the trash. I mean, I lost maybe 20 pounds.
Как же называется она? Господи, боже мой.
Maybe 1 month. In 1 month. Yeah, it took 1 month to lose 20 pounds. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe 1.5 months. This is my lunch today. Shrimps, salad, sour cream, mozzarella cheese, and it's small portion. It's so tasty, and it's enough for me. I'm 6 foot. It's about 185 pounds, but several days ago I was 205 pounds. Yeah, 20 pounds. I just lost 20 pounds. Little bit more than 1 month, and I'm so glad.